Bitbucket tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open bitbucket.org in your browser. Once the website loads, log into your existing Bitbucket account. If you don't have an account yet, start by clicking the Get It Free button located on the top of the page. This will take you to the Atlassian sign-in screen. On this screen, if you do not have an Atlassian account, click the Create an Account link to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the provided field. After typing in your email address, click the Sign Up button to proceed. Atlassian will send a code to your email. Check your inbox and enter the code to verify your email. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your full name and create a password. After filling in both fields, click Continue. You will be redirected back to the Bitbucket site, where you'll be asked to enter your new workspace ID. Enter the desired workspace ID, then click Agree and create workspace. After completing this step, you will be directed to the Bitbucket homepage. From there, you can start creating your first repository by selecting the appropriate option on the dashboard.